आधी डबा दे, आधी डबा वसूल कर देंगे, वसूल कर देंगे,
Nice.
Arrow.
वसूल कर देंगे।
Yeah.
नेपाल के दो टुकड़े करवा दिए
looks up. It feels like they have all here come here to boost their resumes. कि I can quote this, I can say this, I know this couple of lines to prove what a Sant should be.
Medusa, you just predicted this. You had no idea that this is actually the case, right?
No, what?
Because that is the actual
Had a
case.
breakup?
Oh yeah. I'll tell you his history. I have seen many things.
Men. So predictable. Men.
राहुल गांधी तो रक्त बीज है ना, वो तो रक्त बीज वही है ना जो सिर्फ अपने मतलब रक्त की वजह से, मतलब कि तुम्हारा जीन कहाँ से आया है, तुम्हारी लीनिएज क्या है, उसके
No,
दम पे जो-
that's not
what
true.
Raktabij means.
That's not what.
The red guy was right.
Also, I really like it that this woman found a chair to sit on. And she's like sitting and giving gali. Like very chill. Sitting and giving gali.
Wouldn't it be better to get attracted to these people?
Ideally, they shouldn't get attracted. Like this is like saying which disease should people have. That's why Sushant is nodding, right? He's saying, हाँ मैं ही लाइट पकड़े खड़ा था.
मैं ही glow up दे रहा था.
I am the light.
मैं ही ग्लो आया था. मैंने हाइलाइटर लगाया था यहाँ पे. सुशांत मेकअप भी करता है ना, मेकअप वाला वीडियो लगाया था. तो मैं ही हाइलाइटर लगाया था.
Rouge लगाया.
मोदी जी के हाई चीक बोन्स पे मैंने ही वैम्पायर फेशियल करवाने के बाद हाइलाइटर लगाया था.
So one day apocalypse is going on, okay? Like something, the meteor गिर रहा है, whatever. We are running around, we're like, oh my god, Kalki किधर है Kalki? Right, and then
Yeah.
da comes
Vimo
Vimo, and he is riding. Hello and welcome to Decent की दुकान, where decent people
Are doing descent.
during times of dissent. Hello.
Descent.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Didn't dish.
Banged it.
Man.
Dish.
Long time later, we are doing this episode. What was that correct usage? Long time later.
Long time later.
Long ago, when we used to do a show. So today we are going to do a show.
Long time later.
If you are watching this live,
As long as it is communicating the meaning, it's fine. Go on.
Yes. If you're watching this live, hello to all the people who are watching, members who are live. And if you're watching this recorded, then you won't get the full version of this insanity. It will be behind a membership paywall, तो तुमको थोड़ा मिल जाएगा. मतलब ये episode, if it's 45 minutes long, it means that we have spent at least 3 hours.
Yeah, I know, I know,
like,
man, I know.
इतना काट के, because Medusa
I
is
know,
here.
I know.
And the other
Yeah.
person who is joining us today to react to whatever we are reacting to is Shri Sir Vimo. Yes, channel friend
Hello everyone.
and currently in Sannyas Vimo.
Yeah, you guys may notice that I'm a little low energy, and that's because I look at these things and now I'm like, what is happening? What are these people doing? It feels like I've been away for like I've come back a long time later.
Oh,
Also, by the way, just to put it out there, nobody thinks that you are low energy. This is like probably
No,
your
I'm
max
saying
energy
I
level
might feel low
at any
energy
time.
today.
Megnath, could you make a difference? Could you make out a difference? What is going on with her English? What is happening?
What are words?
what are words?
What are words?
No, this is Vimo energy. Vimo has an energy. It is never
Probably.
low or high.
Yeah, because he's like
It is just Vimo.
yeah, it's like so calming and so like chill, and it's like what the it's like all the chaos in my brain is like what is going on? I need a place to go.
Who is this iceberg I'm interacting with today? Like, But yeah, so friends, Vibho, welcome to Dissent Ki Dukaan.
Thank you for having me.
And we are going to react to one person.
Wait.
She's lost it.
You said who is this iceberg? I thought he's the iceberg. I am the Titanic, which like my energy is the Titanic, which will get like crashed into him. And I was thinking which makes that, and I was thinking of him as Leonardo DiCaprio doing
जहाज के सामने ऐसे करेंगे
running around. And I was like, and then he's trying to like paint like little tiny scrawny Meghnad with curly hair, trying to paint this amazing, beautiful
I think she has the world builder's
Kate
disease.
Winslet.
This is
I-
like
I-
this happens. It happens when someone is writing a story. You give them a character, and their brain, instead of focusing on the character, instantly starts imagining his backstory.
Also, मेरा introduction भी खत्म नहीं होगा और ये औरत शुरू हो गई. It's just see, guys, that is why this episode is 3 hours long in reality.
5 hours long.
Okay, introduction. Today
I'm
we
sorry.
are. Can I please tell people what we are doing today?
Yes. Sorry.
So rather, what
we
we are
are
trying to do.
We are reacting to this wonderful fellow called Abhay Singh, who is also popularly now known as IIT Baba. He's a very recent discovery in the Babaverse. I'm going to make it a thing, okay? It's called Babaverse now.
Yeah.
All these new Babas who come up, they go into the Babaverse. So he's a recent phenomenon who came up in the Kumbh. I think Vimo, you have no context, no, about who he is.
I've heard of him along with. See, I hear about so many Babas that all of them kind of melt into each other. But I've heard of him. I don't specifically know what you're going to show me today.
Okay, but you don't know
Nice,
anything
nice.
about him, though.
No.
No, okay. So, Medusa, what is your understanding of this Baba till now?
I have seen only 2 videos of him, and the first one we'll see the videos that we have watched, that I have watched. However, I have seen snippets of him running around and floating around every here and there, and again, he's like you said, a part of the Baba versus he's a new Ye, and he's just sad. Like I look at him and I'm like, ugh, like so annoying and sad, like a mixture of emotions. Yeah. I think I'll have to, because my first reaction or my first emotion anytime I see a religious guru of any religion, it does not matter what religion, of any religion, religious अगर गुरु मेरे को देखता है ना, धारण गुरु टाइप का कोई इंसान, I automatically think of them as I automatically have a feeling of distrust, and it's more so in the case of Hinduism because it's my own religion, and fortunately or unfortunately whatever it is, I was born into it, and इसलिए जैसे होता है ना, अपने घर में कोई गलती करे तो और खराब लगता है, अपने घर का कोई ऐसा बेवकूफ निकले तो और बुरा लगता है. So that's why I feel a little bit more distrust towards men of the god men of my religion more, especially given all the shenanigans they have been up to over history, including casteism and ये क्या कहते हैं, misogyny and everything. वो तो सब तो चलता ही रहता है. उन सब के चक्कर में मुझे थोड़ा सा और डिस्ट्रस्ट लगता है, तो इसलिए मेरा पहला रिएक्शन खराब ही होता है. I don't know whether I don't think he'll be able to redeem himself anyway, but let's see.
Sorry.
तू बता.
So, I have been, again, as Vimo said, I was hearing about him. I knew that someone called IIT Baba has been discovered in the Kumbh, and then I never bothered to look him up until I think 2 days ago, March 1st, 2 days ago, Priyanka Chaturvedi shares a clip which we are going to watch, and that is going to be your first introduction to IIT Baba. Then I will give you context about who he is, okay?
इन सबको महामंडलेश्वर पता नहीं क्या क्या बने हुए हैं, मतलब
तो मतलब साधु
इनको क्यों बुलाया भाई? अब मैं जा रहा हूँ ना.
देखो भाई, इन लोगों ने ना ये न्यूज़ वाले ना फिर से चालू करने की कोशिश करी, कितना लड़ाई किया तुम्हारे साथ, लेकिन मुझे पता था, जैसे बाद में बोलते हैं ना.
तो एक मिनट बाबा, एक मिनट सुनिए. आप अगर धर्म के प्रचारक हैं तो आपको डरने की आवश्यकता क्या है? या तो अपने आप को या तो पाखंडी मान लीजिए और भाग जाइए, सिंपल सी बात है. या तो पाखंडी मान लीजिए और भाग जाइए. ये सुनिए, शांति से बैठिए. आप अगर पाखंडी है तो भाग जाइए, पाखंडी है तो भाग जाइए.
Okay, just in that chaos, I'll just explain what just happened in case you didn't understand. So, this guy, IIT Baba, is now a kind of viral sensation. So, he was invited by News Nation for an interview. And what happened is that he got ambushed by some dharam gurus who wanted to question him on Sanatan Dharma. So, he was really caught like off guard, and now he's saying कि मुझे करना नहीं है, okay? And then bawal happens. It escalates badly.
आधी दबा दे आधी दबा शुरू कर देंगे शुरू कर देंगे
Nice.
In case the red square was not enough.
Like, देखो फिर से देखो उसने क्या किया.
Oh, nice. I like it. Ki Baba. हैं?
Yes. So
What I don't understand is, like, is there some history to this? What has he done to Badnaam?
I will tell you. I'll tell you what he
Okay.
has done. Also, like there are many things he has done apparently,
Okay.
which will piss people off.
Okay.
But
Pakistan
so
ka
right
agent.
now, basically these babas are just calling him a Pakistan agent, and
Obviously.
obviously, I mean,
Hashtag spirituality.
yeah, spirituality. Yeah.
What?
Oh, they have locked him in now in the studio. They have locked him in. They have locked him in the studio. Also, by the way,
कौन
from
दिया
this-
गाली?
yeah, from this point forward, literally, I think most of the clip is beeping. It's
So
just
why did they beep it? It's not funny. I want to listen to
Because
it.
spirituality plus हो गया अभी.
मतलब ये
अब तक spirituality चल रहा था.
Spirituality-
Nowadays upgraded version of spirituality.
नहीं
Like they're
नहीं
reaching
spirituality
higher realms.
pro max.
adult version हो गया थोड़ा सा.
Premium spirituality हो गया.
और ये मीडिया वालों ने ना इतना प्रोजेक्ट करके किया है
स्टूडियो में धरने पर बैठ गए.
Yeah,
Oh,
now
he's doing a live now.
now he's doing a live to explain what is happening. Okay, it's like
Oh my God,
वहाँ
can
पे,
we, like
right there.
Can we see that live?
Yeah,
we see that live?
I have a clip like of him reacting to it later. I have it. I will
Okay.
show you after this.
Okay.
का मौन अपमान कब है का मौन अपमान कब है क्यों भाग रहे हो मुझे देखते ही भाग रहे हो
अरे भाग कहाँ रहा है? वो बैठा है.
ये इसको देखो.
No, what I find interesting यहाँ पे is that notice how all of them suddenly end up with mics. Like all
Yeah,
the
so it was
babas.
planned. Obviously, it was
हाँ,
planned.
हाँ.
Obviously, I think. Listen, this is a channel. I don't know which channel it is. I
News
haven't
Nation.
never heard of it. But ये channel लोगों का बहुत सारे influencers और बाबास के साथ deal होता है.
हाँ.
Like I have made a video about this. मुझे आता है कभी-कभी मेल कि हम चाहते हैं कि आपके पॉडकास्ट को और visibility मिले. We have some guests who you should invite, and invariably these will be babas and astrologers. So there is an influencer market where these guys are in the place of influence. अमेरिका में कोई मतलब जो एंड्रयू टेड टाइप के होंगे उसके जगह यहाँ पे ये लोग हैं, and they are promoting themselves. So they have relationships with the channels and the producers also. Because why would they all be able to ambush this guy? I don't know what he has done. He may have done something to deserve their anger.
Yeah.
Why would they all be willing to be able to ambush him with the help of the channel people who are literally closing doors?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that has to be illegal.
Yeah, I mean that's kidnapping, boss.
Yeah.
Like, what else is that? Like, I mean, you can't close the door and
Yeah.
not open it. It's bizarre.
Also, I really like it that this woman found a chair to sit on. And she's like sitting and giving gali. Like very chill. Sitting and giving gali. He looked to bet.
ये चेयर ले ली उसकी.
ले ली वापस ले
उसकी.
ली.
Okay, हाँ,
क्या
ले
आप चलिए मैडम यहाँ से.
अब फिर से
She
बैठी.
can sit again.
Also, why is there a rectangle around him?
So that you don't miss him.
But
Because
it's
even they know the intellectual caliber of their audience.
Yeah.
Yes.
What if they think that the guy outside that rectangle is Baba?
What do they think the
What
door
if?
is the Baba?
What if exactly? What if they think that the Kamandal is the Baba?
Yeah. Also, by the way, this is not over yet, okay?
Oh yeah. Look at the music.
Music.
सुनो.
Yeah. They're chasing him. They're literally chasing him.
Yeah.
तुम क्या करो पाकिस्तान का एजेंट है ये तुमने क्या तुम्हें ज्योतिष का जान पता है तुमने कैसे कहा तुम हमें देख के भाग रहे हो आज सनातन का बेड़ा कर दिया किसका एजेंट हो बताओ तुम किसका एजेंट हो कहां से तुमको फंडिंग किया जा रहा है पागलपंथी एक अक्षर का ज्ञान नहीं है
Now he'll just quietly
Oh,
give
then
him a
the-
microphone.
I would still love to, like, I have things to say about this,
Yeah.
but I want to understand why they're so angry.
Yeah.
What has
I'll
he done?
tell you. But enjoy this, then I will
Yeah,
tell
ठीक है,
you.
इसको जो है तत्काल जो है मेडिकल का जरूरत है इसको ट्रीटमेंट का जरूरत है पागल है
Auntie भी आ गई.
Oh my God. So much gali.
Yeah.
का बेड़ा कर रहा है
We don't know if it is Gali.
लोग बाबा बना
But what else would we say?
You can just put beeps in the middle of anything to make it look
That's
offensive.
true actually. Like it might or might not be Gandhi.
Yeah.
ये IIT बाबा पे मोटिव किया जा रहा है तमाशा लगा दिया सारे
बदतमीजी बताओ इनके ऊपर लक्ष्य चला दिया ये बाबा है
ये बात है
He's just sitting there.
ये बाबा है
अपने को समझो
He's pretty chill. I like him.
Yeah. And look at नीचे by the way.
I think he's
just
sad.
just
He may
for
be crying.
context नीचे किसका ऐड आ रहा है देखो.
Toothpaste.
पतंजलि.
दांतों की समस्त बीमारियों का.
Oh my God,
Patanjali का ad आ रहा है
Like,
नीचे.
didn't the Supreme Court stop Patanjali from like selling anything?
Coronel.
Why are they still selling
No,
toothpaste?
ghee and
No, a
coronel
certain
and
number of
honey I
products
think.
were banned. हाँ.
Some of the products were banned.
इस प्रकार से इसने उठा करके और चाय गरम फेंका है ये भगवान ये संत के लक्षण है ये संत के लक्षण है शास्त्र ने स्पष्ट
Dude,
कहा
what
कि संत
the
हृदय
hell is
नवनीत
this
समाना।
though?
हाँ, संत का हृदय
And now MDH का भी ऐड आ गया बीच में.
It's the attention economy.
Yeah.
जो आदमी
MDH. शाही पनीर मसाला सुपर हीट.
शास्त्र ने बड़ा स्पष्ट कहा है सुन लीजिए शास्त्र मैंने सिर्फ कहा कि बैठ जाइए
महामंडलेश्वर कोई नहीं है यही सबसे बड़ा बाबा
So this is basically it. Now they just keep screaming at him. I'll give you some context about why this is happening. Then you tell me what you think about it. So IIT Baba was discovered in Mahakumbh, like a month ago. And like basically what happened is some reporter who is going around looking for interesting people shoved a mic into his face. And then he started asking him कि आपका background क्या है? So he said कि मैंने IIT से degree लिया है. Okay, now I'm not sure which IIT exactly. I looked for it, but I couldn't find it. Maybe chat will know. So then,
Oh no, I did
since
see
then,
it today. I did see it. There was a picture also of him holding a degree, and he was like all clean shaven and everything.
No, he
like
has a
धन का
degree.
लड़का दिखता था.
he has a
हाँ,
degree,
वो
but
मैंने
which
देखा था.
IIT I didn't find it.
I remember the tweet, but I don't. Yeah. Anyway, chat will tell us. फिर
So anyway, so वो like he said कि he's IIT. Then the media started calling him IIT Baba. Okay. Now since then he has basically sort of shot to fame, and they go to him for random opinions. Apparently, again, I don't know. I didn't find this interview, but apparently I read somewhere that he predicted that India will lose a cricket match.
Yeah. It's not an interview. It was a live he did with some random cricket का podcaster.
Okay.
Like streamers नहीं होते हैं
Okay.
YouTube में.
And,
So वो
and he
वाला.
said कि we will
That was
lose
it,
a cricket match. And I think we
Yeah,
did
yeah.
lose, or something happened. So
No,
basically,
we won.
Oh, we won.
Yeah, he said we're gonna lose with Pakistan, but we won. He said Pakistan is gonna win. That's the only
Ah.
connection between him and Pakistan, and that's why these guys are calling him a Pakistani agent.
Yeah,
Okay,
and,
these
and
guys' conception of what a Pakistani agent is also kind of iffy because
yeah.
what was the Pakistani agent's plan here? I'm going to say that Pakistan is going to win, and then what? What was he going for?
Unrest हो जाएगा. मैं बोलूँगा पाकिस्तान जीतेगा तो oh my god, विस्फोट.
Visport.
If their problem is that he's a fake Baba, like Pakistan won or lost?
They lost.
Pakistan lost. India
Right.
won.
So their point has already been proven that he's a fake Baba. He predicted Pakistan will win.
Yeah.
Then Pakistan lost. So why are they yelling at him?
So if you notice, now what they are doing is A, they are calling him Pakistani agent. B, they are calling him that, saying that तुझे सनातन धर्म का स भी नहीं आता. Third, they said कि you are faking ज्योतिष शास्त्र, right? So is like कि तूने prediction किया वो wrong हुआ, मतलब तुझे ज्योतिष का शास्त्र भी पता नहीं, तो तू ढोंगी है. So basically, the ambush was to prove that this guy is a dhongi, and whatever, by these wonderful other 5 people.
Not
who are
dhongi.
there.
Very cultured and spiritual people.
Very
like
not
Non-dhongi
dhongi.
people.
not donkey, definitely not donkey, but very cultured, well-behaved, civilized people who you totally think
Very well
of as
behaved.
spiritual. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
context.
अभी वो बोल रहा था ना, अभी वो साइड में वो लाल वाला बोल रहा था ना, the among in the sea of orange you see one red guy.
Yeah.
That red guy was talking about what should be संत का जो वो होता है, क्या कहते हैं उसको, पर्सनालिटी होती है, वो कैसी होनी चाहिए, और वो संत किस तरीके से एकदम शांत समुंदर के समान होता है,
And he was showing with his own conduct what sant
Yeah,
was all
yeah.
about.
Yeah. He was talking about how कि ये चाय फेंक रहा है तो ये संत नहीं हो सकता. But then if you just show anyone this part of this clip without giving them any context, he's the one who is actually looking like a sant, because you guys are surrounding him and screaming at him, and he's all chill and he's
not
all
doing
sharp,
anything.
and he's sitting in the middle. He's
No,
the
I
one
think
who looks like a sant.
there is another deeper one also, but I think I have been talking about a lot, and other rationalist channels have also been talking about how this market is getting saturated now, the whole Baba market. So for every single one of them, competition has tripled and quadrupled. So for every minute that somebody could have been watching them, they now have 20 other Babas available on Instagram, right? So I'm pretty sure on some level, as
And
far
Barbies also.
as
I have never seen so many Barbies cover.
Yeah,
What is
Barbies,
the female
babies,
version of Barbie?
बच्चे बाबा भी आ गए हैं सब,
हाँ,
right?
अब
और
है
ऐसे
ना।
लोग भी आ गए हैं जो कि एक्चुअली कोट पैंट पहनते हैं पर असल में बाबा का काम कर रहे हैं. So that Baba market, whatever
Acharya
is
Prashad.
The guy who caused that stampede, जिसने वो स्टैम्पीड करवाया, जिसके यहाँ पे स्टैम्पीड हुआ था और इतने सारे लोग मर गए थे, एंड देन पीपल वर लाइक कि नहीं, इनको तो मोक्ष ही मिला है, बाबा के शरण में आए. ये तो
Someone,
कोट
yeah.
सूट वाला बाबा था वो तो.
He's
हाँ.
that
अभी तो कुछ
police constable who turned Baba, na? Like, I
Yes,
think,
yes. What I forgot his
So-
name.
So while once upon a time these Babas were drawing attention by saying something, now they have realized that the primary thing that people look to their market for is not their individual gyan. It is this Kalesh. So all of them will try to make more of it, because anyone who tries to be a stereotypical peaceful Baba will just disappear. So every one of them is going to have to do this now. The market, जो कहते हैं ना, एक blue ocean market कहते हैं, जहाँ पे एक market जहाँ पे competition नहीं होता. This is a red ocean where the water, there's blood in the water.
right. So essentially, no,
There's
but
blood in the water, and all of these are sharks.
Yeah, they're all big fish, small fish, various sharks.
so essentially they are all jealous of him that उनको भाव नहीं मिल रहा है और
They're all
इसको मिल रहा है.
insecure.
हाँ.
They're all
मेरे को
insecure
ये
that their share of the market is going down.
नहीं, also ये jealousy factor तो मुझे बहुत strongly लगता है, because this guy who was like a nondescript and nobody knew about him, and suddenly he's shooting to fame, because all of the other Babas, they might just, they pretend to, talk about God and, ये spirituality का message, but ultimately it's all money, ना? Ultimately उनको तो donation ही चाहिए, पैसा ही चाहिए, सोने की हार ही चाहिए, का हार चाहिए अपने दान में, जिसको वो, अगर वो बीच में क्या हुआ था, कहाँ हुआ था, एक में आईफोन गिर गया था दान पेटी में, तो they were like, ये तो भगवान का हो गया है, and it's not like and the guy
Was
like,
that real? I thought it was a movie
yeah.
scene.
No, it was a real thing apparently.
Okay.
Like दान पेटी में आईफोन गिर गया, तो he's like ये नहीं, आईफोन तो अब ये तो भगवान का हो गया है, अब कैसे दे सकते हैं टाइप से, दान पेटी में आ गया. So ultimately all of these, any form of organized religion it has to run on some capital. So there are
I think
money.
you guys are
Even if they're
disappointed with
putting,
it because you expect some sanity from it. I gave up a long time ago. I know this is exactly what it is.
No, I don't expect any. It's not really. I don't really expect any sanity. Like I said, I trust. I don't trust any one of them. My first reaction to them is always distrust. तो ये का क्या है ना मुझे लगता and plus they are very like, उनकी शक्ल में दिखता है यार. You look at them and they're so jealous. This guy with the 3-4 ये I forgot what is it called? I forgot. जो भी है ये लगाया हुआ है the sign of him being upper caste Brahmin. तो उन्होंने जो लगाया हुआ है तो उनका look at his voice and the body language. He's so jealous of this guy. Like कि तू तेरे को कुछ आता भी नहीं है. It's probably quite true. Probably he doesn't even know anything. Probably he just one day like had a breakup and decided to like say fuck you to everything and just became a baba at the end.
Medusa, you just predicted this. You had no idea that this is actually the case, right?
No, what?
Because that is the actual
he
case.
Had a breakup?
Oh yeah. I'll tell you his history. I have seen many things.
Men. So predictable. Men. But it's still better than it's still better after the breakup becoming a baba than becoming a raging misogynist and rooted.
I have done a little bit of a deep dive into this guy. His name is
Okay.
Abhay Singh, right?
Okay.
So his background goes something like this. Okay, this is something that I got from 2 interviews. One is from Sushant Singh. He went on Sushant Singh's podcast, and Sushant Singh, of course, asked him some very interesting questions. We will see one of them also.
Sushant Singh, the former anchor.
Yeah, Chusant as we call him, Blackboard Sinha, the other name that
Blackboard
we call
Sinha.
him. So essentially he asked him a bunch of questions. But so that is one interview, and another news channel pe koi gaya tha, to he said. So one is, so he was talking about his life. A had a very abusive childhood, right? Very. Like, I mean, his dad was beating his mom up all the time, and she tried to kill herself a bunch of times. She tried to, like, run away a few times also. And he basically did everything he could to avoid his family and interactions. So he slept through the day and studied through the night. And all he did was studied. So then he cracked the JEE because he wanted to get out of his family. Basically, he wanted to get away. Got into an IIT, then realized कि मुझे ये भी नहीं करना है. Right? So then he didn't pay attention in college much, but he cleared it clearly. And then after that, he did like a photography course / internship, which took him to Uttarakhand. So then he roamed around Uttarakhand for 6 months doing that photography thing. And that is when he got very attracted to Babadam. Right?
Okay.
He had many experiences apparently. During that time, he also had a girlfriend. Right? Then after all this, his girlfriend confessed to him that she was essayed when she was very young. Right, very badly.
Okay.
And then uske baad he had like all this trauma in his head with his own thing and his girlfriend's thing. So he gave up on everything, and he's like, I'm going to Canada. So then he moved to Canada, got a PR, right? Then he moved to Canada with his sister, worked there for a bit. Then he was like, मुझे ये भी नहीं करना है, because he's like, Canada is garbage. Like, they don't even treat people like human beings वहाँ पे. So then he came back to Delhi and worked with Bombay Shaving Company. Okay. If you don't know any context, Bombay Shaving Company.
I know Bombay Shaving Company. हाँ,
And there is
एक
the
दो सामान आता
CEO
है.
makes news for making like some very random misogynist posts on his LinkedIn all the time. Anyway, that's a separate thing. So then he did the Bombay Shaving Company, and then after that, he's like, मुझे ये भी नहीं करना है, मुझे सब त्यागना है. And then he just got out and moved away somewhere. Like he disappeared. He went to like Char Dhams, went around, sat around with like a bunch of Baba people, learned a lot of things. Attended a Sadhguru ka course to learn yoga, and then came back and went to the Kumbh. And that is where he got discovered. So this is his life trajectory.
Okay.
Yeah. So so Medusa, you were right. वहाँ पे कुछ girl, he said that, like, like her leaving me was like a big thing in his life, etc. But my thing is, dude, he's such a, how do I put it? He's like that cousin you have who was quite abused at home, so he turned to drugs and then just got lost in drugs for a while. And then
Yes, again, but I don't extend, like, I don't want to be क्या कहते हैं उसको inappropriate, but how how is he abused? Like his mom was the one who was getting beaten up, the mom that he left.
So he was, yeah. So basically,
Must have been traumatized as a kid.
Yeah,
no?
he had trauma.
Yeah, so that's it. That's like secondary trauma, and that's there. I'm not saying that's very little, but then he was not the one who was beaten up.
No, and
Did he say he
his
hasn't been beaten
dad.
See, but the odds also go up, right? If he had an abusive father who was abusing his
Yeah,
mother,
it's
it
quite
is highly
possible.
unlikely that the
It's-
father
yeah.
would leave him alone.
Yeah.
Maybe he just didn't
Yeah,
talk
but then
about it.
I have a like lot of distrust about people who say talk about abuse, but then वो होता है ना कि नहीं मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ
Turns out
लेकिन
it-
बहुत
हाँ,
सारे
yeah,
लोगों
yeah,
को
yeah. I
so
get
वो
it.
मुझे I kind of have a feeling that because you know life
think
में
it's
ऐसे
more a
बहुत सारे
matter
लोग
that-
मिले हैं
I think it's more a matter
जो
that he
जो
was
use
exposed
करते
to
हैं
all that at a very impressionable age, and he has been trying to
Yeah,
escape that trauma his
हाँ.
whole life. He thinks if he goes
हाँ.
there,
No,
he'll
I'm
escape
वही
it.
कहा मैं उस ट्रॉमा
it's
को
inside him.
मिनिमाइज नहीं कर रही बिल्कुल ट्रॉमा हुआ ही होगा बिल्कुल हुआ होगा but I'm not but then again उसकी माँ को उससे ज्यादा ट्रॉमा है so yeah so anyway and also plus his girlfriend was essayed when he was younger so she left and so he's traumatized like
Is dealing with it, whatever it is. Yeah, whatever it is, whatever his
he's
reason
dealing with it
is dealing
his
with it.
girlfriend gets sexually assaulted but he is dealing with it बाहर में जाए साला उतने हो ही नहीं चाहिए इसके साथ जो भी हो रहा है खाए मार
Wow, Medusa. मतलब like एकदम मतलब डंप ही कर दिया उसको तो तूने सीधा like story सुनी like I don't care. Bye.
I have no sympathy for people like this. No.
Aishika
Get
is correct.
over it.
Aishika here is saying that every serial killer has this arc. It's true. Like it's
true
a
though.
serial killer
It's
arc
true.
also. So it's kind of fortunate that he's gone into Babadom and not
Yeah.
serial
Not serial
killerism.
killerism.
This freeze frame might just be him making a list there.
Oh God.
Yeah.
ये लोग सोच रहे हैं हम उसको
तू-
उसके ऊपर चिल्ला देंगे वो बैठ के
संत के लक्षण क्या होते हैं इसको पता है पूछ कर देखा लिया।
yeah संत के लक्षण
संत के लक्षण क्या होते हैं?
शास्त्र ने कहा है कि संत हृदय नवनीत समाना और कहा कबीर को कहा ही न जाना नौटंकी कर रहा है हाँ, किस बात के लिए किस लिए इसने हाँ, ये
Oh,
संत
there is this guy I think tries to beat him with that thing that he has like a
माफी मांगो इसको बोलो इसको माफी मांगेगा इसने चाय किसने उठा के मेरे को पता
क्या उबर बुला रहा है क्या वो?
ओह अच्छा ही इज ऑन हिज फोन
आज ये बात
वो
he was
लाइव
live.
कर रहा है वो लाइव कर रहा है राइट Dude, this woman is very dedicated, huh? Like,
Yeah.
she's
वो चेयर
really-
वही आके चेयर लेके बैठी थी
Yeah.
she is the one who had the chair
Oh, ये गाली है गाली ये तो गाली था
मुझे I couldn't catch it. I wouldn't be surprised if there was one producer who was saying नहीं बीच में ऐसे ही बीप डालता रहे.
अब ये भी आ गए सर
ये कौन आ गया?
बोल रहे
आप ही क्या बताइए द्रोणाचार्य जो थे एक शब्द पर नेपाल को 2 टुकड़े करवा दिया आप वहीं के रहने वाले हैं
क्या?
नेपाल के 2 टुकड़े करवा दिए
It feels like they have all here come here to boost their resumes. कि I can quote this, I can say this, I know this a couple of lines to prove what a sant should be.
Yeah, that's true.
They're all performing.
That's true.
हाँ they're all very bad performances though like very
Again-
unconvincing
again,
about
consider the
stunt like
caliber of the audience.
performances हाँ ऑडियंस को मिथुन चक्रवर्ती का कोबरा चाहिए तो फिर वो दूसरा
साइकिल के पीछे छुप के गोली मार रहा था.
फिर वो ऑल इज लाइट क्यों देखेगा all that what is the name of that movie
All that we think of as light.
All
No.
that we think of as light. Wait.
no it's not so long like there's no think
All we imagine as light.
all we think of as light
Think
All
of
we
it.
imagine as light. It's a very nice movie. I loved it. I saw it.
I haven't seen it yet.
oh have you guys seen Girls Will Be Girls that's
Yes.
also a very nice movie
Yes,
मुझे
very
बहुत
nice.
अच्छी लगी
Very nice.
But
movie.
I don't watch I really don't watch movies मतलब serious movies like this क्योंकि मेरे को फिर बहुत ज्यादा सोचना पड़ जाता है but then the last time when we saw Mirzapur and I sent a message to Richa because Richa is a friend guys name dropping so I sent a message to Richa saying Ali bhai का क्या काम है Mirzapur 3 हमने फिर
Medusa, wait.
हाँ
Guys, this is a members exclusive story. Okay, we are going to cut here and then Medusa is going to tell the story.
I sent you that message, no? जो अली भाई ने भेजा था हम लोगों को.
हाँ, हाँ,
I sent you
exactly.
that message, no?
Wait.
हाँ.
Oh, there is a message that Ali Fazal and Richa Chadda has sent exclusively to Medusa, which is only exclusively available to members. Okay, bye. See you after the story.
और वहां पे भी जब वो सारा कुछ हुआ, अब वो पूरा मीडिया को पूरा कैटेगरी के अंदर खड़ा हो जाएगा ना कि क्या सही में मीडिया ये सब उनको होना चाहिए, ये सारी पावर जो उनके पास है, क्या सही में वो ऐसे किसी को जबरदस्ती कर सकते हैं? मतलब क्योंकि वो पूरा का पूरा प्लान किया था उन्होंने. वो बंदा मेरे को पहले वीड ऑफर कर रहा है कि ना मेरे पास है, आप मारोगे क्या? क्योंकि उसको यही था कि इसको पहले यदि ऐसे नशा करा के करेंगे तो फिर हम इसको ये इल्जाम लगा सकते हैं कि ये कि नशे के अंदर करता है सारी चीजें.
Also, by the way, he literally
That part was
admit-
very clear, by the way.
Huh?
The channel was turning itself into an akhada where this might happen.
Yeah.
So that like orchestrating, organizing, closing, like preventing him from leaving somehow
Yeah.
and everything. So they wanted this drama to happen there.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
this is a trick a lot of YouTube channels also do.
Yeah. It was an ambush. Basically, what happened
Ambush,
with
हाँ.
Zelensky and Trump is exactly what happened to this guy with other babas, which was an televised ambush. But also, by the way, this whole weed thing that he just said on Sushant's podcast, he actually said that I just smoked one and came to do this podcast. When he asked, are you smoking up, etc., whatever.
Did you do Sushant's podcast before this or after?
Before this.
Before this?
It
Okay.
was
Before.
this. Yeah.
पुराना
But
है.
anyway, but like
Also, by the way, he's been arrested now.
IIT Baba.
हाँ, on the charge of possession of ganja.
Really?
हाँ, देख, मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले देखा न्यूज में.
Oh,
Because we were
shit.
looking at his videos ना. You sent me his videos, तो उसमें AI को पता लगा होगा, तो they sent me that news.
Arrested. सीधा.
I think he's been arrested. Now you are making me doubt myself.
एक सेकंड चैट को चेक करने दे. चैट एक बार चेक करना प्लीज. Oh yeah, it's true.
Oh, birthday भी था उसका बेचारे का आज. Abhay Singh clarifies while celebrating his birthday. Oh, he's been released on bail also. Later released on bail.
Okay. Cool. अच्छा.
Arrested from hotel with ganja, later released on bail.
Oh, okay.
प्लानिंग की ना उन लोगों ने, बहुत प्लानिंग की ऐसे बैकग्राउंड के अंदर. अब ये कौन लोग हैं वो तुमको मैं धीरे धीरे सामने आ जाएगा वो सत्य भी, जो कि ये सिर्फ वो न्यूज वाले लोग नहीं थे, इसके पीछे ना बहुत बड़ा ये ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वो ऐसे एक्ट, मतलब जिन लोगों ने पूरा प्रॉपर ऐसे डिजाइन करके ये सब सारी चीजें की वहां पे.
I
हाँ,
don't
clearly.
distrust
उनके
him
सारे
on
पॉइंट
this.
भी वही थे. ये तो एंटी नेशनल है, वो एंटी नेशनल वाला पॉइंट भी जो वहां पे था ना कि
Facts.
पाकिस्तान, तो पाकिस्तान का अगेंस्ट में तो कभी कुछ बोला ही नहीं. मैंने वो प्रेडिक्शन की नहीं पाकिस्तान वाले मैच की, बट वो ये ना इन लोगों ने चला के एक नेगेटिव सेंटीमेंट बनाया मेरे खिलाफ, जो कि हमेशा ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं से, जो कि अब जब सही में मैं लोगों को सिखा रहा हूँ यूट्यूब के ऊपर, तब इनको समझ में आ रहा है ना यार, इसको तो सही में समझ में आता है यंत्र कैसे काम करते हैं, ज्योमेट्री कैसे काम करती है, और ये दूसरों को भी सिखा देगा. और जब तुम लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा तो तुम ये फेक बाबा लोगों का सच्चाई तुम्हारे सामने आ जाएगी. तो ये फेक बाबा, ये महामंडलेश्वर जो बने हुए हैं, वो तुम खुद ही नहीं जाओगे उनके पास, तो क्योंकि तुम खुद ही समझ जाओगे वो चीज.
So
वो
I have
चाहते लिए ये लोग.
Yeah.
I have a question. What is he branding himself as? A
Yeah.
genuine Baba or just someone?
So
you
here's
know,
the
who's
thing. Now
curious?
this is the point where I also had this exact question, Vimo. So then I went like on a bit of a deep dive to see what he believes in, etc. Turns out he's one of those people. I think I will say Acharya Prashant is also in that category. He in the Babaverse, the larger Babaverse, there are now these what I call Trojan Babas, right? Which is essentially people who dress up like Babas, they talk like Babas, they quote scriptures
That's
like
all of them,
Babas.
right? That's all of them.
Yeah, which was all of them. That's the starter kit of Baba, right? That's the starter kit. But then you evolve into either like viral Baba, or you go into like another direction towards profiteering Baba, or this is a new kind, which is a Trojan horse Baba. So Trojan Baba basically means that he will dress up all the things that do. So all the usual people who fall for Babas, they will flock to them. And then they completely change their perspective about Babas. So like they would come to them thinking of them as, you know, oh, isko worship karna padega, man of faith, etc. But they would be something like, no, ye Baba kuch nahi hota, see the truth, believe in yourself, therapy jao. He literally says ki aapka mental health dekho aur therapy karne jao. And he basically also spoke about climate change also, and a bunch of other liberal ideas essentially. So it's very interesting that there are these. Basically, this is a trap. I feel like he's one of those people who is putting up a trap, like Acharya Prashant.
I don't like, to be honest, I'm not sure about the utility that they're going for. Like, what is it that they're looking to do eventually? I think that because the target audience of a lot of these people are people who can pay money, which is the, you know, upper caste, middle class, higher ups of Indian urban society. Many of the people who are in that part of the world, they're uncomfortable with what most babadom implies. Like, you know, ye Gomutra or Gobar brigade, they're not happy to swallow it. So they need kind of a middle ground between ताकि religious भी रहे पर थोड़ा modern भी लगे. And that is the zone that these guys try to occupy. And that is the zone that the other babas who are looking at their market share go down are afraid of.
No, but like think about it this way. So there is a Sadguru. Right. So Sadguru is also occupying that zone. I call them the English speaking elite babas, which is like they are completely like geared towards attracting the urban elite spirituality crowd who will also spend money to buy their products, which is like a box of whatever for $5,000 jo bhi hai. And also those Mahashivratri tickets which they get.
No, his feet, picture of his feet.
Oh yeah, picture of his feet. Yes, correct.
Picture of his feet.
All the things. So those are that, like Sadhguru is going for that category of people.
Sadhguru is going for both category of people. Sadhguru is going for rich and dumb.
Okay.
This guy and the other gentleman you mentioned, they're
Acharya
going
Prashant.
for reasonably well-moneyed and slightly
The middle
uncomfortable with the Gomutra brigade. Sadhguru doesn't care. Sadhguru is going for like really rich people at the fag end of their life. His audience is not the young audience.
Yeah,
His audience is the professional, older, like 50 plus rich people who are either in India or abroad, but Indian.
But
That's true.
But this one you are saying is going for the younger crowd.
Yeah, he's like ये जो हमारा YouTube का audience है ना, 90% boys are watching your channel.
Yeah.
ये उसके लिए काम कर रहा है.
That's true.
He's right now in the attention garnering phase. If he gets past it, he will get to a phase where he has an office and an ashram at a stage where he will try to go for the grihasth people. Right now it's just boys.
Yeah, and dedicated timings for his pravachans.
Yeah,
and
if he can manage to
discussions.
stretch it out, the boys that he's catering to right now will be the married people who become his audience in the later part of his career.
Interesting. Dude, okay. So I think, you're in a way talking about Acharya Prashant only because he has already gone to
The
that
long game.
stage.
Acharya Prashant is slightly ahead of him because he has left the boys behind.
Yeah, he's left the boys behind. Yeah, he's left the boys behind, and now he's catering to the urban elite, educated sort of crowd as well.
Yeah. People in their first or second job whose salaries are increasing.
Yeah.
And who are in tune with the whole nationalism equals Hindu dharma, thing.
Yeah.
Why they're getting married, their families are growing, and this part of the life brings its own uncertainties.
Getting married in the same caste.
Yeah. So वो complication इनके mind से मीलों दूर है. They don't even see it as a problem, right? So the problems that are coming with growing a young person, growing his family, that is the phase that I think Acharya Prashant is right now firmly targeted at.
Interesting. So he's trying to steal the next Acharya Prashant audience.
He knows that Acharya Prashant has left some people behind.
He wants them.
It's like it's like Instagram, no? Instagram में all the creators like the trainers जो training देते हैं ना कि कैसे अपना audience बढ़ाना है ये है वो. So everybody talks about how every single thing will have a viewership, how everything will have a viewership. It's like you doesn't matter the shit you put up. For example, the vlogging वाला world जो है ना, like I see like it is an indication of the democratization of fame and democratization of how internet has created this space for democratization of voice. वो तो है ही. But then if you look at some of, like for example, Flying Beast.
Yeah.
What does he do? Like, why am I watching him? Or why
I
am
don't
I
know why you're
watching? Why
watching
is there a video?
Why
No,
are you
why
watching
am I
him?
not like
Yeah.
not I? Oh my god! Oh my god! This is like I as like a metaphorical I. Like, why is the viewer watching, or why is there a video of him washing a car in his own driveway, or taking his son or kids to a hospital when the son wakes up in the middle of the night? I mean, why is there a viewership for this? But anyway, the point is there is a viewership for this, and it's like he's one of those things. जो Instagram की world में दुनिया में there is a viewership for the shit that he's selling. There is a market. So वो वही ना, and it's exactly the market that Vimo has pointed out. It's the boys who are watching
Can I just
the channel
can I
who
just
are
point one
in
thing out?
in that sweet phase.
So just to add to what Medusa said, there is this theory about why. I think it's got something to do with language. So Medusa may have heard of it. It's about why the way human societies came together, right? So what purpose did language serve? Like what did it allow us to do that brought us together? And we often, think of high-fangled things like art, literature, and everything. But some people are of the view that the primary purpose it served that brought us together was just gossip. Like that is what brought tribes together. That is why we are still interested in what is happening in someone else's
Also,
house.
gossip is an extremely important thing anthropologically speaking.
Yeah.
From all anthropological points of like gossip. Also, at one point of time, for
is
example,
there a distinction between stories and gossip? Because I mean, stories, yes, I think stories.
Yeah.
So when I say story, I mean
there's a
completely
very
made up imaginary things.
Yeah.
Gossip is real world conversation about उसके घर में क्या चल रहा है, उसने क्या किया,
Okay,
उसकी
fair
बीवी
it's
enough.
an
रात
exchange of
बाहर क्यों
information.
थी,
It's
वो सब.
actual exchange of information.
Yeah.
And also there is this at the angle that the word gossip was given to the conversation between women, because there were no other channels of women to communicate with each other, with other people. Okay? So when they communicated, or like exchange of information, exchange of things, exchange of knowledge about what to do when you suddenly get pregnant. At one point of time when there were no ways of stopping a pregnancy or having a safe abortion, all of these things. How did this information get around? It was given this it was looked down upon because it was women's talk, and that's why gossip, which was I think etymologically also there is an association with women and women talking to each other. So because it's women talking to each other, so gossiping was discouraged because of course it is making women
Some people
wayward,
look down
and
at-
it is making women have more agency about their bodies and whether to get pregnant or not, or to have an abortion, and so on and so forth. It's all about controlling. Anyway, point is, so anthropologically also gossip is an extremely important thing, that it was about of information, because an exchange of information is done by men also, but it is never termed gossip when men do it.
Yeah.
Although
So it's a
when men
different
do
thing.
it, it makes its way into the literature of the time.
Literature of the time, yes, and it's important. It's conversation.
It becomes
It's,
news.
It becomes discourse.
News.
It becomes news.
Discourse.
Yeah.
It becomes discourse. It
It
becomes
becomes
narrative setting.
Yes,
It's not
correct.
gossip.
Correct.
You should, if you have not read Handmaiden's Tale,
I have.
you have.
Oh,
So you
yeah.
realize
Me
that
too.
thing
Yeah.
that she said about women developing their own language.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I was also saying. Okay, I have a provocative question for you guys, but like, iske baad.
Handmaid's Tale, sorry.
Huh?
I said handmaiden, not handmaiden.
Atwood का ना.
Handmaid's Tale. Handmaid's
Yeah,
Tale. ना?
yeah.
हाँ.
इंसानियत ही कुछ अलग है यार, मतलब सही में मैं इतने टाइम से बोल रहा हूँ भाई, मैं प्योर हार्ट वाला इंसान हूँ यार। मैं इतनी बोल रहा हूँ कि महादेव से बात करते, मैं बोला इतनी महादेव मेरे को ये बोलने के लिए बोल रहे कि भाई तू ही विष्णु है, तो मैं झूठ थोड़ी बोल रहा हूँ। जब सब कुछ प्रूव कर दोगा, मैं जब सारी शक्तियां ले लूंगा, तब मानोगे तुम लोग? फिर मानने का मतलब ही क्या है? फिर तो तुम सबको सुदर्शन से काट दूंगा। सुदर्शन से नहीं कटोगे तो त्रिशूल से काट दूंगा, महादेव त्रिशूल भी दे दोगे मेरे को।
So he genuinely
I'm
believes
sorry, he's
that he's
just
Vishnu.
high.
He's just high, yeah.
He's very
just
high.
high.
Yeah, he's very high. Like this is literally high talk. Yeah, I mean like
Also, Vimu, what was, you will know this. I don't know what's there is a principle behind it. For example, when you say ki, for example, Ayurveda or homeopath, it will work if you believe in it, and if it doesn't work, that means you didn't believe in it. So the
Yeah, that,
fault lies. What is it called?
That placebo effect.
placebo.
Just the
Yeah,
placebo
it's called
effect. क्योंकि
placebo,
मुझको तो
yeah.
पता.
I don't know what is
No,
the
because
technical term that might be at play there, but yeah,
there is I think there is a technical term to this very specific thing where the fault never lies at the object जिसको हम लोग test कर रहे हैं, but then it's about you. If you don't believe in it, it won't work. If you believe in it, it is going to work. So it's about you doing. You are the one who is making the thingy work. It's called something. तो वही वाला he's putting the same. It's logic में कुछ इसको बोलते हैं. तो he's putting the same thing on us, no? Like मैं विष्णु हूँ. ये तुम बिलीव करोगे, तुम नहीं बिलीव करोगे तो तुम मतलब जब मैं सब कुछ अपना वो कर लूंगा, प्राप्त कर, तब बिलीव करोगे, तब क्या फायदा है? तब क्या फायदा है बिलीव करने का? So you believe it before I have all of these powers,
So
because
this
if you don't
happens-
believe it, then you are at fault.
Yeah.
This is a thing where magical properties are assigned to the simple quality of believing something. Ki faith has something greater, like some greater value than what it does, and then it doesn't remain about the thing that is being claimed or the evidence that is there. It's just the entire believing becomes the entire game, and then believing becomes the thing that you should aspire to. Believing is not a path you are taking to, knowing something. It is
To reach
it is
someplace.
the whole game. So he's saying ki, okay, all of these things I'm
believing.
capable of, but all of these things I'm capable of, but
Yep.
if you require proof of it, then there is something wrong with you.
Then
This
there
is
is
not
something
you.
wrong
This
with
is
you.
not you.
No,
This
but
is what it
basically
was.
you're saying that this guy is like, oh, you don't have faith. You're questioning me. So
Yeah.
like you have to basically have faith. You cannot question what he's saying. Like, see, जब तुम मानते ही नहीं हो तो क्या फायदा? Like basically that's the whole thing. So
तो क्या ही फायदा है?
तो क्या ही फायदा है?
जो
What
मानोगे
they
तो
don't
क्या
realize
फायदा
is
है?
that someone can easily turn this around and paste it on their forehead. Yeah, whatever you are saying, I can also do. Show it. No.
Oh, हाँ, नहीं दिखाएंगे.
For a community, like for believers and all, like it includes me also, because at some level Vimo has been unable to completely make me into an atheist.
I wasn't
But
even trying.
at some, no, you don't try, of course, but then the thing is, ये है ना, सुन के मुझको second hand वो लगता है कि अरे यार विमो को लगता होगा कि ये तो atheist नहीं है. Anyway, that's not
No,
the
I
point.
don't
Point
think
is,
that way about anyone.
point is, that's not the point. You don't
Tell me the
don't
point. Get to the
Yeah.
point.
Get to the point,
I forgot
Medusa.
about it now. I forgot about that's the thing. You cannot. What was I talking about?
That
So, like, give me
I'm
the
You're a
first few
believer.
letters.
Start from there.
Oh yeah,
हाँ.
yes. I'm not a like believer, but I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, कोई तो है type से. Anyway, point is कि I was saying that as a community of people who really like, like मैं तो 50% believer type से हूँ, but then there are people who like actually like do all the puja part and everything. But if you go and tell them that I have seen God or God मैंने देखा उनको, nobody's gonna believe you. For somebody, for an entire who believes in the existence of God, they won't believe you if you say that you have seen them. तो ये थोड़ा सा मेरे को अजीब लगता है, मतलब I don't know, it's just like a question which like came into my brain right now.
Did you-
कि मैं अगर बोलूंगा किसी को कि मुझे दिखे तो कोई नहीं मानेगा. Like why? Because you believe in the existence of God. So why can't I? Why is it not possible that I have seen him?
There was a
or her?
point, Medusa, I had the shock of my life. It was very
Ah.
crazy. So like, I mean, I was quote unquote an atheist earlier. But then one Ganesh Chaturthi, our neighbor comes running and says कि गणपति जो है ना वो दूध पी रहा है. I was like कुछ भी.
Yeah.
And it's like you don't believe me, come I'll show you. Dude, I went, इतनू सा मूर्ति था, इतना कटोरे भर का मिल्क था, वो पी लिया.
हाँ हाँ.
And it freaking blew my mind. And I was like, how is this possible?
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
God
yeah.
exists
I
now.
remember living through that time. Yes. ये मैं तो तेरे से थोड़ा सा बड़ी थी उस टाइम पे जब ये हुआ था. मैं अपने आप ही बहुत सारा हुआ था. Only happened to all Ganpati idols though, but how it happened I don't know. I don't know the scientific
There
reason
have been
behind
some
it. I
theories,
have,
one about capillary action, one about something else, but मैं उस समय
but then
actually
it like
believer था. मैं
randomly
believer
believer
था.
happened to
हाँ,
all the
हाँ.
and
murtis
I
at the
didn't
same
believe it.
time.
You didn't believe it.
You were an atheist and you believed it. I was a believer. I was like, क्या ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है?
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा. Oh, and again, so we did that, and then there are all these gimmicky Ganesh Chaturthi pandals, no? So my mom randomly took me to this one pandal, and then she's like, listen, oh, there's a murti, and you can go really up close to the murti for some reason, which is like a new thing. So you went really up close to the, and she said ki just put your hand in front of you like this, right? And then she took my hand aise, and a laddu fell out of the sund. Okay, I was so shook. I just threw it out. I was like, what just happened? I don't know, my mom was not playing a prank, but and then like later she said, no, ये पीछे लोग हैं वो दे रहे हैं लड्डू. It's a thing that is happening. But dude, it was like one consecutive thing after the other for a child's mind. I was like, what is this? No, you can't do this to me. I was like,
That's
holy
cute.
shit.
That's very cute. That's very
The
cute.
next day, Meghnad sit down to play a game and finds Ganesh sitting next to him.
नहीं, I can just start claiming tomorrow कि मुझे गणपति जी दिखते हैं. And then someone will like, ये कुछ भी बोल रहा है. Like, अरे कैसे नहीं मानते?
But then that's the thing. For an entire country, for an entire people who believes in the existence of God and like takes offense at their disrespect, nobody's gonna believe you that you have seen them. Nobody's gonna like you. They'll definitely
believe
be
you.
like पागल हो गया
Listen,
है.
they will totally believe them. They will totally believe Meghnad until Meghnad goes to their house and says, I want to destroy your house because God told me there's a treasure underneath. That
Oh,
is when
yeah,
they will
yeah.
stop believing.
ट्रेजर क्यों? मंदिर है. मेरा मंदिर है नीचे.
हाँ.
मेरा
सब कुछ.
मंदिर है.
मैं कल oh by the way, oh sorry.
That line is drawn at personal inconvenience.
I'm not
When
going to
someone else
spoil
is getting
anything.
inconvenienced, it's okay.
Yeah.
मेरे ऊपर आएगा तो belief सब उड़ जाएगा.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm not going to spoil anything. But this is something that this guy already does. Okay. Before I go to the last clip, I have a provocative question for you guys. Okay. So so I call this the Baba verse.
Is the question coming now? Is it the question now?
I am telling you the
Are
question.
we doing the question? Oh, okay, fine.
I'm asking you the question. थोड़ा context build up करने दे Medusa.
Okay.
So I call this the Baba verse, right? And basically there is a starter kit Baba which we saw like all these people. Then there are like other Babas. One is like the Baba Ramdev kind of people, which are profiteering essentially. Then there is of course the viral Babas like Abhinav Arora and these Spooky Baba type characters. This guy is, I think, interesting in two ways. One is, of course, he goes into the viral category also. But at the same time, when I heard a few of the belief systems that he has, he also believes in therapy. You know, like he is very aware that he went through trauma at a very young age, and that is why he's a Baba today. Like he's like that self-aware. He's like, no, I know why I am like this today. Why I went through the drug route and whatever jo bhi hua because of my trauma. Jo bhi hai. And the second is he talks about a bunch of progressive ideas, right? He basically calls the current ढोंगी बाबा whatever situation, he says that ये लोग धर्म follow नहीं करते. Actually धर्म जो है वो, I will tell you what it is. It is basically living in peace with nature and whatever. Now I will again mention Acharya Prashant here for a very simple reason. He is also doing the same thing, which is like he's reinterpreting Gita, he's reinterpreting religion and like whatever beliefs, and he calls the mass religion Lok Dharm, and he calls that people don't really understand what dharm actually is, right? So these categories of Babas, do you think they need to exist? Because honestly, what I'm thinking is that if you are someone who is lost, right? If you're lost, if you are looking for answers about universe, about whatever, you tend to go towards spirituality or religion or whatever to hold on to, right? And usually they end up in like a Dera Sacha Sauda or like a Sadhguru or like someone else, or even Patanjali, whatever products jo bhi hai, they either go that way, right? Or they will get attracted to people like Acharya Prashant and this guy. Wouldn't it be better to get attracted to these people?
Ideally, they shouldn't get attracted. Like, this is like saying, which disease should people have? Don't have any disease.
No, but you know there is a
थप्पड़ खाओगे या घूसा खाओगे? लेफ्ट जूते से मारूं या राइट जूते से मारूं?
अगर मैं मार ना खाऊं तो चलेगा.
I mean, no, but
नहीं मार तो खाना पड़ेगा.
exactly. It's like the lesser evil argument, okay? Which is like Congress को वोट देना पड़ेगा. They're not great, but क्या कर सकते हैं? Lesser evil. That sort of argument.
So let me look at it this way. You're saying religion is a very strong presence. We cannot wish it away.
Yes.
Someone or the other is going to represent it.
Yes.
Do you want this representative or that representative?
Yes.
My position has always been, ये लोग कहते हैं कई बार मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में आके मुझे पूछा है. My position has always been that I am not going to be able to wish a good outcome into existence just by saying नहीं ये होना चाहिए, because लोगों को जो करना है वो करेंगे. My position is I will have to deal with whatever is real. And the real thing is whoever is in front of me. So someone will come and say, I'm totally against all the bad things that my religion does, and I'm completely scientific minded, but it brings me personal solace. So I will talk to him on that level. When someone comes and says, Ki, nahi, I think these people are evil, they should be killed, these people should be oppressed, my religion makes me genetically superior, that kind of bozo, I will deal with him on that level. Kya hona chahiye, kya nahi hona chahiye is wishful thinking. I don't live in that world only. I live in the world where material outcomes happen and I deal with the material outcomes. That is a decision you have to make as a believer. If you believe, then you're going to have to choose ki, okay, I'm more comfortable with this person or that person. I'm out. I'm not in the equation only.
Medusa?
I willingly left a long time
I
ago.
don't care about babas at all, of any kind. They should not be there. I don't. If you are having spiritual troubles, go to the books, read the books, go to the primary source. Don't go to babas. Don't go to interpreters. ये जो बीच में interpreter आते हैं उन्हीं की वजह से सबसे ज्यादा problem होती है. If you have issues, you go to the textbooks. And ये जो ये ना that is it just goes back to the whole like the social hierarchical, the caste system and everything ना, क्योंकि उन्होंने ब्राह्मणों ने बोला कि हम ही interpret कर सकते हैं, हम ही पढ़ सकते हैं, and we are the ones who can do this. That's where this whole Baba culture comes from.
थोड़ी देर पहले जो कह रहा था तुझे सनातन का सर नहीं पता, असली इंटरप्रिटेशन हो गया. What he was protecting was not religion. He was protecting his personal power.
Yes,
he was protecting his
position in
to
the
make
social
rules
hierarchy,
according to which other people live.
Yeah.
Exactly. तो इसीलिए अगर आपको spiritual issues हो रहे हैं या फिर अगर आपको जिंदगी में purpose ढूंढना है, ये ढूंढना है, go to the texts, go to the original, find therapy, go to therapy. I think at this these people, I don't know, religious therapy, मतलब ये तो कभी भी religion ने conversion therapy type से काम किया है. So therapy भी मुझे नहीं लगता इन लोगों ने कभी सही से वो किया होगा. But then
I think someone like Medusa created Acharya Prashant. She told someone, he must have gone somewhere and says, किसकी बात सुनो? And Medusa must have said, the Medusa equivalent must have said, go to the books. He went to the books and he became a Baba.
he became a Baba only. मैंने ही बोला कि ये वो interpret करने बैठ गया.
Here's the thing. Okay, so people will believe in scriptures. People will really believe in myths. People will believe in religious tales, etc. The interpretation and real world action is what I care about. So I mean, I'm talking about that, which is essentially, would you rather that someone believes in, like, someone goes to the Gita or whatever, Manusmriti, I guess, and like, it's like, oh, caste system, wapas lao, right? Or would you rather someone reads the same thing, reinterprets it, and then says कि no, actually वो caste के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे, वो actually बोल रहे हैं कि सब लोग अच्छे से रहने चाहिए, सब लोगों ने ये करना चाहिए.
हो जाता है ना, that becomes ये आदमी आगे कुछ बुरा नहीं करेगा, पर पहले जो बुरा हो चुका है उसको denialism को encourage कर रहा है. Like Acharya Prashant himself has been accused of this. He's been accused of watering down the role of caste, refusing to talk about caste and stuff like that.
Yeah, he doesn't really talk very often
Yeah,
about
yeah.
caste. Yeah. That's
So the problem then becomes ki if you are unwilling to acknowledge the problems that your religion has created in the past, how can we trust you to be the person who's going to solve the problems that it is going to create in the future?
Or it has created right now, or it is
Yeah.
battling with right now.
Yeah.
अब पहले का भी तुम वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हो, तो फिर कहाँ से वो होएगा? Also मतलब मेरे को ये ना, I don't trust these people at all. It's like nothing. Also, by the way, किसके पास इतना टाइम है यार? यहाँ पे खाने के वांदे हैं, यहाँ पे
Exactly,
वो है,
exactly.
पढ़ाई लिखाई इतना करना है, कल का मील कहाँ से आएगा उतना आधे लोगों को पता नहीं है.
I'll tell you
But
what.
then
I'll tell you what. I would,
poverty
if-
also drives you towards.
like Meghnad gave us two categories, right? One is the progressive Baba and one is the regressive Baba. I will say, if someone chooses to put on, red or saffron or white clothes and says, this shit, I will only work to uplift people out of their social misery. I don't care about the color of his clothes. I will go for that guy. Even if he believes in God, but he doesn't talk about God, doesn't promote it, and only works for social upliftment. We have had such figures. by the way.
Yes, of course.
Many of them have been religious figures, and I'm huge fans of them.
Yeah.
If such a figure comes along, I'm totally with them. But anyone who tries to whitewash
Yeah.
the past or the present, or actively tries to create more trouble in the future, obviously not.
Yeah.
और मोदी जी और योगी जी के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है?
ये तो दोनों तपस्वी लोग हैं ना पूरे.
अरे वाह वाह.
मोदी तो पूरे ही कर्मयोगी है ना वो.
अरे वाह.
उनको बोला
हो
गया
गया,
कि
हो
तू
गया,
पूरा
हो गया,
पूरा
बंद
करके
कर
आया,
इसको,
तू
बंद
अभी साधु वाधु मत बन. तो उन्होंने पूरा देखो ना कितनी तल्लीनता से वो पूरा किया. अभी भी कर रहे हैं.
आपके महादेव मोदी जी के बारे में क्या बताते हैं?
नहीं बता तो दिया मैंने.
Dude, okay. I have to tell you this before we go on. This guy says that महादेव मुझसे बात करते हैं, and Sushant is like, वैसे आप hallucinate कर रहे हो क्या? And this guy is like, नहीं, I'm not hallucinating because I know what hallucination is. Therefore, when I say I am talking to Mahadev, I know I'm not hallucinating because I know what a hallucination is. I'm like, that is the most bizarre thing you have ever said.
Or the most honest thing, he knows he's lying.
Also that. Yeah. And then Sushant reinterprets it and he's like, oh, do you mean that your inner voice that is talking to you and you're having a conversation with, you are just calling it Mahadev? And he's like, हाँ सही बोला, यही हो रहा है मेरे साथ. And Sushant is just like, after that he's like, अच्छा आपके महादेव क्या कह रहे हैं अभी?
मोदी जी के बारे में क्या कहते हैं महादेव?
मेरे को तो बस पहले ही उन्होंने बता दिया था ना.
वो अलग लेवल की चीज़ है.
नहीं
Oh my
वो
God, I
जैसे मैं
hate this
उसको
guy
इलेक्शन
so
में देखता था ना ऊर्जा को. जैसे
Which
आपने
guy?
इंटरव्यू किया जैसे उनका हाथ शेक वगैरह होता था.
सुशांत.
तो बाकी लोग तो सोचते थे कि ये सब क्या हो रहा है. बट एक्चुअली में जब तुम थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंसेस करते हो तो तुम्हारी एनर्जी थोड़ी हिलती है अंदर अंदर.
अच्छा.
तो उस टाइम पे जब इलेक्शन के इंटरव्यूज आप देखना ना वो अलग ही ग्लो है उनके चेहरे पे. लाइक जब वो दूसरे रिपोर्टर्स भी जाते थे तो उनको अलग ढंग से बातें करते थे वो.
Dude,
Why are you
okay,
making me listen?
here is where I think he's extremely dumb. I mean, no surprise there. But honestly, like his whole thing, did you hear what he just said? कि उनके हाथ कांपते थे.
Flow था उनके.
And, dude, you know that the interviews that he gave were produced, set be designed by the PMO, like edited by the PMO this time, right? So he's like, oh, उनके चेहरे पे ग्लो दिख रहा था जब इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे. Dude, are you kidding me? Like it was all like a set piece. Basically, it's like saying कि शाहरुख खान वो जो कौन सी मूवी थी ओम शांति ओम में जो उसके ब्रॉन्ज चेस्ट है ना, कि और ये क्या क्या मस्त चेस्ट लग रहा है उसका. भाई मेकअप है.
That's why Sushant is nodding, right? He's saying, हाँ मैं ही लाइट पकड़े खड़ा था.
मैं ही ग्लो अप दे रहा था.
I am the light.
मैं ही ग्लो आया था. मैंने ही हाइलाइटर लगाया था यहाँ पे. सुशांत मेकअप भी करता है ना, मेकअप वाला वीडियोस लगाया था. मैं ही हाइलाइटर लगाया था. मोदी जी के हाई चीक बोन्स पे मैंने ही वैम्पायर फेशियल करवाने के बाद हाइलाइटर लगाया था.
राहुल गांधी.
Oh, now
राहुल
this.
गांधी तो
Okay.
रक्त बीज.
Well, he knows where he is.
Yeah. No.
He knows-
कौन है
I'm
राहुल
not
गांधी?
saying he
रक्त बीज.
राहुल गांधी.
राहुल गांधी तो रक्त बीज है ना वो तो.
रक्त बीज.
रक्त
Yeah.
बीज वही है ना जो सिर्फ अपने मतलब रक्त की वजह से, मतलब कि तुम्हारा जीन कहाँ से आया है, तुम्हारी लीनिएज क्या है उसके
No,
दम पे जो
that's
not
not
what Raktabij
true.
means.
That's not what.
The red guy was right.
Yeah, He was actually. That's not Rakta Beach. Rakta Beach is the name of a
Okay,
Rakshas.
maybe this is his interpretation of that word. It's
हाँ,
okay.
देख
It's not.
Rakta
It
Beach
cannot be. It cannot.
Interpretation हो सकता है.
इंटरप्रिटेशन दे रहा है. रुक सुन.
वही फंडा था ना असुर का कि उसके रक्त से एक और असुर पैदा हो जाएगा, वही चेतना दूसरे में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगी.
Okay, now
एक और
mixed
शरीर में.
metaphors.
वही
Mixed
चेतना एक और शरीर में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगी. रक्त के माध्यम से ट्रांसफर हो रही है. रक्त के माध्यम से मतलब क्या है कि तुम्हारा बाप कौन था, ब्लड रिलेशन जिसको बोलते हैं. तो जो
Yeah, again,
सारी
that
चीज
applies
sustain
to
उसके
everyone.
हिसाब से
Everyone
होगी.
is a
that
dad.
doesn't make any sense. Like technically, then Modi is
No,
also a Rakta Beach.
also Rakta Beach का वो नहीं था. Rakta Beach का
Apparently,
Rakta Beach
Rahul
को
Gandhi is the only
वो
person
मिला
who
हुआ
has-
था.
Yeah. सबका
Apparently,
Who has-
सबका
who has
immaculate
the-
Apparently, Rahul
conception
Gandhi
हुआ
is the
है.
only person who has the blood of his father. Everyone
Exactly,
else has a
exactly.
miracle baby.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि according to
Nobody
him,
else.
everybody else has immaculate conception. Like it's like everybody virgin Mary से निकले हैं, but हमारे राहुल गांधी जी जो है ना, वो lineage है बस, dynasty है वहाँ पे.
उनका lineage है बस और किसी का
हाँ,
नहीं है. Oh
and
my
that
God.
makes him a
Okay,
Rakshas.
और जो असुर थे वो असुर का उसको ये मिला हुआ था कि जहां जहां उसका बूंद गिरेगा वहां से उतने ही राक्षस पैदा होंगे. So he had his own like
Yeah.
walking entire army of his own. ये नहीं था कि उसमें चेतना चली जाएगी टाइप का.
Yeah.
मोदी जी के बाद कौन?
मोदी जी के बाद तो
गडकरी.
जी भविष्य मालिका देखोगे तो योगी जी बनेंगे. योगी जी के बाद फिर मैं राजा बनूंगा.
योगी जी की
आप
बात
राजा
क्या बोला?
बनोगे?
मैं राजा
मैं
बनूंगा.
राजा बनूंगा.
अच्छा.
No, because
ऐसे लिखा ना उसमें.
किसमें?
भविष्य मालिका पढ़ी आपने?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं पढ़ी.
तो ये
भविष्य
भारत का
मालिका.
आखिरी राजा जो होगा वो हिंदू राजा होगा.
अच्छा.
और उसके बाद जो जो कल की अवतार है वो पूरा विश्व युद्ध हो रहा होगा उस टाइम पे. कल की अवतार जो है वो पूरे संसार को बचाएंगे उस टाइम पे.
आप कल के अवतार
अब देखते हैं होता कि नहीं होता वो.
कल की अवतार पॉडकास्ट में आएगा, ये कहाँ लिखा है
हाँ,
भाई?
कल की अवतार पॉडकास्ट में आके सुशांत के साथ बैठ के चकल्लस कर रहा है और
कल के
राहुल
अवतार के
गांधी
बारे में
को
मुझे
रक्त
नहीं
बीज
पता.
बोल रहा है.
कल की अवतार एक घोड़े पे आएगा, उस घोड़े का नाम देवदत्त होगा. ऑल्दो ये भविष्य मालिका का नहीं है, भविष्य पुराण का है. भविष्य
Okay.
मालिका में कल के अवतार के बारे में क्या लिखा मुझे नहीं पता.
I have no idea what these books are.
Bhavishya Malika is an apocalyptic piece of literature written in Odisha some centuries ago. It's not even that old actually.
Okay.
And it says that the last king of the land will be a bachelor, unmarried.
Not
And
Hindu.
people, हाँ?
Hindu, he said.
उसमें I don't think उसमें हिंदू का वैसा कुछ है. अगर है तो मुझे नहीं पता. But people keep forgetting that that applies to Mayawati, Rahul Gandhi, and
Modi.
a whole lot of Modi, a whole
Yeah.
lot of people.
Just not Modi. Modi is married.
Modi is married, but still he has a reputation of a non-married guy.
Please, Medusa, please. It was a forced marriage and it was uncomfortable for him at a young age to get married and therefore he left because he had to do bigger things.
I kept pointing out to people that Bhavishya Malika was written in Odisha,
मेरी
and
जुत्ती.
Naveen Patnaik was also unmarried.
That's true. Naveen Patnaik is also
Yes.
married. Yeah.
He was.
Oh, Vimo
You
is
guys
also
never think
unmarried,
maybe-
boss. Vimo is also unmarried.
We won't.
I don't have a horse.
Oh shit.
I don't have a horse.
You can get one.
Maybe it is a
Why not?
metaphorical horse.
Huh?
Maybe it is a metaphorical horse, like
What is a
a
metaphorical horse?
thing, like a thing which can get you from one place to another.
Sorry.
For example,
I don't go
Can
anywhere.
I,
Have you
can I
noticed?
crack
Have you
one
noticed I
of the
don't go
most
anywhere?
terrible jokes that have ever come in my head? Okay.
What?
what?
Okay. So one day apocalypse is going on. Okay, like something like a meteor गिर रहा है, whatever. We are running around. We're like, oh my god, Kalki किधर है Kalki? Right, and then
Yeah.
da 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 comes
Vimo
Vimo, and he is riding Devdutt Patnaik.
Oh shit!
A metaphorical horse called
And we are
Devdutt,
obviously
who is
moving very
Devdutt,
slowly.
And he's like, tabdak. I have come to save you all. Yes, Kalki, yes. Sorry. I don't know why I did that.
By the way, Kalki Avatar is also going to be, I think, उसके कास्ट के बारे में भी लिखा था, is going to be a Brahmin. So not me. Maybe Devdutt will be riding me.
Yes. But okay, concluding thoughts, friendos.
Sometimes, like just when you were playing this thing, no, एक sudden कभी-कभी होता है ना, just sudden realization होता है, एक sudden you have a feeling. I was like, मेरे को suddenly एकदम ऐसा लगा कि जैसे किसी ने मुझे reality का एक थप्पड़ मारा हो, and I'm like, what are we doing as a country, as a nation? What are we doing? Like, इतना इन लोगों के पास इतनी एजेंसी है, इतना पावर है, like to you know influence so many people, and they are doing it, and then इकोनॉमी कहाँ जा रही है, कहाँ मतलब खाने के वांदे हैं, चीज बाहर जाओ. yesterday I went for grocery shopping. I took 1,000 rupees.
Yeah.
सब्जी खरीद के लाई मैं 1,000. मैं 1,000 रुपए की सब्जी खरीद के लाई मैं, 1,000 रुपए की.
It used to be 2 rupees once.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, like there will be some form of
Inflation.
like ये inflation,
But this
but
this
this
goes
is too
beyond
much.
it.
Like
This is
yeah.
this
I
goes
was
beyond
not. It goes so much beyond it. Like इतनी सारी problems है, इतने सारे issues है, औरतों के issues खत्म नहीं हो रहे हैं. अभी भी बच्ची पैदा हो जा रही है तो मार दे रहे हैं. 4-4, 5-5 महीनों की बच्चियों को के साथ रेप हो रहा है. And आदमी लोग भी मर रहे हैं, उनका भी सुसाइड हो रहा है. All of these things are happening. आदिवासियों की जमीन हथिया ली जा रही है, दलित को घोड़े पे नीचे. All of where are we going? And like the people like this, they take so much of our space, so much of our cognitive, reality. They take so much of. I'm just tired. I just look at these, and like this bout of depression hits me. I'm like, क्या है दुनिया में यार? क्या?
बस
क्या?
ये मोह माया है.
बस अब कल की आ ही जाए. बस अब आ जाओ. बस हो गया.
Medusa का
खत्म.
sad है कि Medusa hangs out with her friends and says, "I'm tired of seeing all this." And her friend says, "Okay, come to my channel. I'll show you some more."
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was going to say. Like every time I get
Let me
Medusa for
monetize your
DKD,
despair.
Let
it
me
ends
monetize
like
it. हाँ,
this.
ये इसका भी मार्केट है, डेस्पेयर का भी मार्केट है. चलो
Despair
सब
का
लोग साथ
market,
में,
yeah,
जितने
yeah.
भी साथ में को डेस्पेरीज.
That was the episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the full episode, then you have to become a
Yes.
member and you have to click on the link below. Also, we have merch, by the way. There is DKD merch also, which features our friendly Medusa as well. And you can go to bunchofmerch.com and buy the merch to also support the channel. And there is Medusa, तेरा buy me a coffee भी link है नीचे. मेरा भी buy me a coffee link है. तो सब कुछ प्रमोट कर दिया
हाँ.
मैंने आज. सब कुछ.
Nice.
अरे
तो
मेरा
मेरे
भी
को तो
डाल
याद
देना,
भी नहीं था मेरा
vimo.co.
और
buy
हाँ
me a
विमो,
coffee.
मैं विमो वही आ रहा था तेरे पे. अब विमो तू प्रमोट कर.
Just go to vimo.co and read my essays and stories. vimoh.co.
Yes. Go support Vimo, who is currently in Sannyas. When are you coming out of Sannyas?
I am coming out of the sannyas. Sannyas मतलब मैं YouTube पे वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ, थोड़ा less
हाँ.
frequently डाल रहा हूँ. And Instagram पे तो फिर तभी जाऊँगा जब बुक का काम खत्म होगा, which will
When
be a
is
couple of
how is the
couple of
book
months.
going?
Book is going
Is
well.
Okay.
I have in the meantime I've cheated on the book and written a couple of short stories also, but the writing is going well.
Thank you so much for watching. Okay, thank you. Bye. I will see you next time
Bye.
whenever we do DKD.
Okay.
पता नहीं कब. Bye.